A doctor measured serum HDL levels in her patients and found that they were normally distributed with a mean of 69.8 and a standard deviation of 3.8. Find the serum HDL levels that correspond to the following z-scores. So this z-score is -1, and we want to find the serum HDL level. First, what you want to do is set up the equation on how to find a z-score. It's the data point, usually minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So when you plug that in, you put x. X is here because this is what we want to find. Subtract 69.8 divided by 3.8 equals to the HDL level, which is -1 in this case. After that, you want to set up the equation so you multiply 3.8 to both sides. So 3.8 times x minus 69.8 divided by 3.8 equals 3.8 minus -1. Multiplied by -1. After that, you want to cross out all factors. So this one goes, and so does this one. You're left with x minus 69.8 equals 3.8 times -1. You add to both sides. So this one gets crossed out, and you're left with -3.8 plus 69.8 equals 66. Now, this is the HDL level, and in order to check this, you can put it in to the equation. So first we had the x over here, and now this is 66 minus 69.8 divided by 3.8, and let's see what we get when we do that. 66 minus 69.8 divided by 3.8, -1. And that is the z-score that we started with. And for the second part of the question, that is what you do again. So you have the z-score of 1.04. You plug that in to the equation like we did before. Multiply 3.8 on all sides, and then you cross them out. And then you're left with x minus 69.8 equals 13.952. You add 69.8 to both sides, and then you get 72.752.